In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add vector text in Krita step by step so you can create clean, editable text right inside your artwork. This is really useful if you want to design posters, thumbnails, social media graphics, or any project where you need text that stays crisp and easy to edit later. If this video helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Krita tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Krita and make sure you have a canvas ready to work on. On the left-hand side, look for the toolbox docker and select the text tool. This tool is what you'll use to create vector-based text instead of painting text onto a normal raster layer. Once you've selected the text tool, go to your canvas and click and drag to create a text bounding box. This box tells Krita where your text will appear, and you can make it as large or as small as you need depending on your design. After you release your mouse, a pop-up text editor will appear. This is where you type the content you want to add. Go ahead and enter your text, whether it's a title, label, heading, or any other wording for your project. As soon as you confirm the text, Krita will automatically generate a new vector layer. That's one of the biggest advantages of using vector text because it remains sharp and editable without losing quality. Now, if you want to customize the appearance of the text, look over to the Tool Options docker. There, you'll find a button to open the Text Properties panel. Click that, and you'll be able to edit important settings like the font, text size, and alignment. This gives you much more control over how your text looks on the canvas. You can make it bigger for a headline, adjust the alignment for centered layouts, or switch fonts to match the style of your artwork. And because it's on a vector layer, you can keep coming back and changing it whenever you need to. That makes it a really flexible workflow, especially if you're still experimenting with your design. So to quickly recap, choose the text tool, drag out a text box, type your text in the pop-up editor, and then use the text properties panel to refine the font, size, and alignment. That's all there is to adding vector text in Krita. If this tutorial helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Krita guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.